Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I Miss Parvati Chaugule, your first grade English teacher. Students, in last episode, what we have learned? Yes, we have learned a very enjoyable poem. What was the name of the poem? Yes, it was All of Me. Now, today we will be learning a new lesson. What we are going to learn today? Yes, we are going to learn today a new lesson or chapter, okay? Students, before going to start, I will ask you some questions, okay? And you have to give me answer. So, students, tell me, do you have friends? Yes, we all have friends. Now tell me, how many friends do you have? Yes, we have so many friends. Yes or no? Yes. Now, what they will do? Yes, that friends will play with you, and if they live nearby you, they come to your home, isn't it? Yes. And if they are nearby, they come to your home, you both sit and complete your homework, isn't it? Yes. Like this, friends comes and we meet with them. Yes or no? Yes. Now, students, in this we have many friends, isn't it? Yes. But one friend or two friends we have, like, they are very special for us. They are our favorite. We share all our things with them. We tell all the things to them, isn't it? Yes. That are our favorite friends, to whom we call, okay? With whom we share all our things. Most of the time we spend with them. That is our favorite friend. Now students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is Friends in the Park. So, what is the name of the chapter? Friends in the Park. Friends in the Park. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. I-N in the T-H-E, the park, P-A-R-K, park. Friends in the park. Now, you have to tell me your favorite friend's name. Okay? Yes? Means we have different students will have their favorite friends. Now, you have to tell two things about your friend which you like, okay? About my friend I will tell. I like that she listens to me, she cares for me. These are the things which we like about our friend. Now, before going to start this chapter, first of all, I will show you one video. Okay? I will show you one video that you have to listen and take out your textbook, pencil, eraser, sharpener and keep it aside and listen to this video.
Friends in the park. Every evening, Manu goes to the park to play. Manu's friend Amina goes to the park too. Manu and Amina play with other children in the park. They love to play on the seesaw and the Manu is on. He pushes Manu off the swing. Manu hurts his leg. Amina is sad. Don't be rough, Sunny, she says. Sunny does not listen to her. The next day, none of the children want to play with him. You are too rough, they say. Sunny feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. Then Manu and Amina play with Sunny and the other children join them too.
So, students, you have seen this video. Yes, have you seen how one friend came to help other friend? Yes, now we will go by reading this. Okay, Manu goes to the park to play every evening. Do you go to play with your friends every evening, students? Yes, we all like to play with our friends. Manu's friend Amina goes to the park too. Now, tell me, who is Manu's friend? Yes, Amina is Manu's friend. They run around and play with the other children. Other children also comes to the park to play. So, Manu and Amina plays with the other children. They love to play on the seesaw. Children, have you seen seesaw? Yes, this is the seesaw where here is Amina and here is Manu. They are playing on seesaw. Okay, when friends sit, when your friend and you sit on the seesaw, it will go up and down. Yes or no? It will go up and down. They love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. And the slippery slide. Most of all, they love the swings. Swings means this. These are the swings. How many swings are there in this park? 2. 1, 2. Okay. There are only 2 swings in the park. All the children like to swing. So see, how many swings are there in the park? Only 2 swings are there. All the children who come in the park to play, they like to swing. So see, many children are there, but only 2 swings. So what these children do? They take the turns. Means after one children, another child will sit on the swing. After that, another, like that. They take turns so that all can have fun. So what they do? They take turns, one after the other, so that all can take fun, all can have fun of the swing. Okay. Now, see this.
Friends in the park. Every evening, Manu goes to the park to play.
See, what is here? Every evening, this Manu goes to the park. Every evening, Manu goes to the park to play. See, this is the park where Manu comes to play.
Manu's friend Amina.
Who is she? She is Manu's friend Amina. Manu's friend Amina goes to the park too.
Goes to the park too. Manu and Amina play
This is Amina and this is Manu. See this in this how they are sitting on the seesaw and how they are playing. These are the other children in the park.
Children in the park. They love to play on the seesaw and the slippery.
This is the slippery slide on which Manu and Amina plays. They love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide.
Mr. Ball, they love the swings. There are all.
See students, these are the swings in the park. Okay, how many swings are there? Yes, there are only 2 swings. 1, 2. There are only 2 swings in the park.
Only 2 swings in the park. And since all the children like to swing, they take turns so that all can have fun. One day,
So see, what they do? They take the turns. They take the turns. After one child, another child sits on the swing so that all can have fun. Okay, now we will listen to an audio.
Friends in the park. Manu goes to the park to play every evening. Manu's friend Amina goes to the park too. They run around and play with the other children. They love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. Most of all, they love the swings. There are only 2 swings in the park. All the children like to swing. They take turns so that all can have fun.
Yes, okay. Now you have seen the video and also to an audio. Now students, we will see some spellings. Okay, Manu, M-A-N-U. Manu goes to the park. Where does Manu go? Yes, Manu goes to the park. P-A-R-K, park. To play. For what Manu goes to the park? Manu goes to the park to play. When does he go? Manu goes to the park to play every evening. When does he go? Every evening. E-V-E-R-Y, every evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, every evening. Manu's friend Amina goes to the park too. Manu's friend. Who is Manu's friend? Yes, Manu's friend is Amina. A-M-I-N-A. Amina goes to the park too. Who goes to the park? Manu and Amina. Who is Amina? Amina is Manu's friend. They run around and play with other children. They run around in the park and they play with the other children. They love to play on the seesaw. Where they love to play? They love to play on the seesaw. S-E-E-S-A-W. Seesaw. And the slippery slide. And where? On the slippery slide. Slippery. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-Y. Slippery slide. S-L-I-D-E. You know how have you played on slide, what will happen in that? Yes, from one side you go up and from the other side you come down. It is a slippery slide. Most of all, they love the swings. Okay, they love to play on seesaw and slippery slide. But most they love to play on the swings. Most they love to play on the swings. S-W-I-N-G-S. Swings. There are only 2 swings in the park. But the thing is, more children comes to play. But only 2 swings are there in the park. There are only 2 swings in the park. How many swings? 2 swings. T-W-O. 2 swings in the park. All the children like to swing. But all the children like to swing. So, what they do? They take turns, one after the other. What they do? They take the turns, one after the other, and they play in the park. Now see, one day what happens? Okay, just we will first listen to this audio. Okay, listen to the audio. Put your pencil aside.
One day, a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. He is tall and strong. He wants to sit on the swing. He pushes Manu off the swing. Manu hurts his leg. Amina is sad. "Don't be rough, Sunny," she says. Sunny does not listen to her. The next day, nobody wants to play with Sunny. "You are too rough," they say. Sunny feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. Manu and Amina play with Sunny. The others join in too.
So, what we have seen? We have listened an audio. In that what happens? One day a new boy. What happens? One day a new boy comes. One day a new boy, Sunny. What is the name of that new boy? Yes, the name of that boy is Sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny comes to the park. Where he comes? He comes to the park. Now, he is tall. He is tall than the other children and he is strong also. He wants to sit on the swing. See, in this, here Manu is sitting. Yes or no? Yes, isn't it? Manu is sitting on the swing, but Sunny also wants to sit on the swing. So what he does? He wants to sit on the swing. Who wants to sit on the swing? Sunny. He pushes Manu off the swing. Then what he does? He pushes to the sun. He pushes to, who pushes? Sunny pushes to Manu and Manu hurts his leg. Manu fall down and he gets hurt to his leg. Amina is sad. Students, whenever your friend gets hurt, you will become sad, isn't it? Yes, we become very sad to our friend. Like that only, Amina, who is Manu's friend, she gets sad. "Don't be rough, Sunny," she says. Who says this? Don't be rough. Amina says to Sunny, don't be rough. Sunny does not listen to her. But Sunny does not listen to her. Then the next day when when Sunny comes to play, at that time nobody wants to play with Sunny. When the next day comes and Sunny comes to park, then nobody wants to play with Sunny. You are too rough, they say. What all the children said to the Sunny? They said, you are too rough. Then Sunny feels sad. By listening this, Sunny feels sad. He says sorry to Manu. To whom does Sunny say sorry? To Manu. Manu and Amina play with Sunny. After, when Sunny says sorry to Manu, then Manu and Amina play with Sunny. The others join it too. Then other children who are playing in the park, they also join in too with these 3 people. Okay. Now we will see this video. Okay.
Fun.
See now what happens.
A new boy.
One day a new boy. He is the Sunny. Okay. He is the Sunny. One day a new boy comes to the park. One day a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. He is Sunny.
Sunny comes to the park. Sunny is tall and strong. He is strong. He wants to sit on the swing. Manu is on.
See what he does? Manu is on the swing. Sunny comes from the back and what he does? Who wants to sit on the swing? Sunny. Sunny wants to sit on the swing where Manu is on the swing.
He pushes Manu off the swing. Manu hurts his leg.
See what this Sunny have did? Sunny pushed. To whom? Manu. Sunny pushed Manu and Manu gets hurt. Students, we should not do this. This is bad habit. We must not push anybody while playing. Okay? They may get hurt.
Amina is sad. Don't be rough, Sunny.
Who
She says. Sunny does not listen to her. The next day.
When the next day Sunny comes to play. Okay, to play in the park. At that time, nobody plays with him. The next day, none of the children want to play with him. With whom? With Sunny. Because on earlier day, Sunny have hurt to Manu.
None of the children want to play with him. You are too rough, they say.
Who says this? You are too rough. Who says this? The other children in the park, they says you are too rough. To whom? To Sunny.
Sunny feels bad.
Then after seeing this, when nobody is going to play with Sunny, then Sunny feels bad. Means he feels bad about the thing that whatever he had did earlier day.
He says sorry to Manu.
Then what this Sunny does? Sunny says sorry to Manu.
Then Manu and Amina play with Sunny and the other children join them too.
See now, after saying sorry, Sunny says sorry to Manu. Then Manu and Amina plays with Sunny and the other children join them too. Students, we have seen this chapter. What happens in this? One child, Manu, and his friend Amina goes to play in the park every day. And they play, swing, they love seesaw and slippery slide. But one day what happens? One boy, Sunny, comes. He is tall and strong and he wants to sit on the swing, where already Sunny is, who is sitting? Who was sitting on the swing? Yes, Manu was sitting on the swing. Then what he does? What the Sunny does? Sunny pushes Manu and Manu gets hurt. At that time, Amina becomes sad and she says to Sunny that don't be rough. Sunny doesn't listen to her, and the next day when all the children comes to play in the park, at that time nobody plays with the Sunny. They says you are too rough, and Sunny feels bad about it. And then Sunny says sorry to Manu, and Manu and Amina play with Sunny. The others join in too. So students, we have learned what we have seen today. We have seen friends in the park. Have you enjoyed it? Yes, I too enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.